be trading and always keep it G. I trade a nigga from the streets.
What's going on? What's going on? What's going
If you know
on?
about it, better trade it to this beat. Yeah.
You know the vibes, you know the waves. What's good? It's your boy Ty. Bet I wake up in the morning, check my trades and toss my phone. Every day is trade or die, so keep the numbers out the wall. Keep the linen in the sheets up in the yard while hanging close. Every time the cameras flash, that's another million sold. Bet I wake up in the morning, check my trades and toss my phone. Every day is trade or die, so keep the numbers out the wall. Keep the linen in the sheets up in the yard while hanging close. Every time the cameras flash, that's another million sold.
I look, trade or die and that's a lie. Met a trader, busted right, I just trade it and forget it. Always say a prayer, never leave without the biscuit. Stay inside the market, double up and then I split it. Thinking that they know my next move, yeah, forget it. And you know what you know, and you don't what you don't, yeah, So we buy it off the bottom, it's support and been support. Load up 25 lots, drop the stop and run it up. Every time I see a camera trunk the west, they know what's up. This that 50 bank run with the budget and your trust. Keep the trade and leverage stick, that's so the equity can flow. And it's more than living life than what you see, that's from the goal. Get my pips and lead the market, double back if I want more. After I hit all my points, I never leave an open door. Bet I wake up in the morning, check my trades and toss my phone. Every day is trade or die, so keep the numbers out the road. Keep the linen in the sheets up in the yard while hanging close. Every time the camera flash, that's another million sold. Then I wake up in the morning, check my trades and toss my phone. Every day is trade or die, so keep the numbers out the road. Keep the linen in the sheets up in the yard while hanging close.
Yo, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on, man? Let's get it. Hey, so appreciate all you guys for tapping in. You feel me? Appreciate everybody who likes the videos, who come and fuck with me on the Sunday. I know it's a vibe, man. Appreciate y'all time, but check this out. So today, you feel me? I know you probably like, man, Ty, but I'm about to do this a little bit different. I'm gonna do a lot of typing on the screen. You feel me? Because I really just want to rock out and while I mark up these charts while you watch me do what I do. You feel me? I'll respond to some of your questions as they come in. And yeah, I will talk about NFP. I don't know if you guys have traded NFP or not, you feel me? But we definitely got that NFP popping, man. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys was trading that NFP. You see, I was trading NFP and playing Fortnite, you feel me, doing what I do best, play Fortnite and trade Forex, which is the funniest shit ever. But check this out. So, hey, where you from in the comment section? Let me know where you're from in the comment section right now. You're like, yo, Ty, what's that chart that you have on the screen? We're looking at the S&P 500. All right. So right now, okay, look at what we're looking at. Prices on the bull run. Not just prices on the bull run, but the markets are on the bull run. Okay. You're like, well, how do you think the market's on the bull run and we have coronavirus scares and everything else? Well, the thing is, like, businesses and the market and the Fed, obviously, I mean, they care and they don't. You know what I mean? So the people, you know, they will continue to just keep driving the price up and continue to keep this economy floating, because in an instance, you got to think that, you know, America is in competition with a lot of other countries. All right. So, I mean, when you just look at the whole business game, I mean, it's the reason why people are pushing so much to keep the economy floating, to keep shit open, to keep shit moving. At the end of the day, people need to make money. I mean, that's America, right? That's capitalism. That's where we're at. You know, you're like, well, how does that work all around the world? I mean, if you look at the marketplace, you'll see who leads the world. It's usually, you know, the USA. All right, so we're going to talk more about this bull run. I don't know if you guys have traded NFP or not. I don't know if you like NFP or not. So in the comment section, let me know. Do you like NFP? Is that something that you trade? And did you trade that with me on Thursday? Let me go ahead and pull up some of these comments. You know, y'all be going crazy in the comments. So I know I got it cracking on the book too. You feel me, on Facebook too. So shout out to y'all over there on Facebook too. You feel me? We're gonna get it cracking. I'm gonna pull up more charts and stuff for y'all right now. We just looking at that young S&P. This is on the daily. All right. So you're like, what is that on? It's the daily, bro. It's the daily. All right. I don't know why my fucking thumbnail didn't change, bro. Like, YouTube be playing me. You feel me? They be playing me sometimes when I be trying to do all my my streaming joint and stuff like that, because I for sure had a vicious little thumbnail for y'all. You feel me? But yeah, so S&P is on the bull run. So we can go more into detail. Feel me? Right now you're seeing a little bit of red, but all it's doing is pulling back a little bit. So if you haven't bought yet, you'll be able to get in. All right. So you're like, what do you mean? Well, you got to think, like, a bull run is higher highs and higher lows, all right? So you got to basically buy at the lows, you feel me? A lot of people, you be trying to catch sales, and yeah, you catch some shorts, you feel me? But, I mean, like, this not really a shorting market right now, you know what I mean? It's like you looking for buys, you looking, it's a buyer's game. So you looking to buy, you know what I mean? You looking to go long, etc. All right, so you can either run this shit two ways. You can wait for price to get down in this. Here, you can do it like this. You can wait for price to get down in this area. Boom, let that shit drop down a little bit more. Boom, get down in this area. If it doesn't break through, if it start holding up here, let that young demand just build up right here. Take that motherfucker right out. Boom, easy money. You feel me? So, I mean, that's if you're a patient trader. You know what I mean? You could just let price come down. Or some people, you got the scalpers who gonna try to scalp that down. You feel me? Who will scalp it down? You feel me? As it gets down there into that little area to where we can move and get those buys again and start buying again. You know what I mean? But if you wanna move like the whales, like, you gotta be patient, bro. Like, smart money moves like smart money. You know what I mean? It's about getting in, catching a trend, and just riding the whole trend out. Like, you know what I mean? So you gotta think, like, how would Buffett trade? You feel me? If Buffett was a Forex trader, how would Buffett trade? Bro's looking at everything long term. It's funny, he made something about he was talking about candy, like a candy company, Mars, right? He was making the jokes about Mars. He said that he's been trying the product for over 70 years since he was 7. You know what I'm saying? And you're like, well, what do you mean? But you got to think about it. Like, see, Mars is the candy company that M&Ms, et cetera, et cetera. So it's like, they're not going out of business anytime soon. So when he's thinking investments, he's thinking long term, obviously. You know what I mean? So you got to think, how would Buffett trade this shit? He be trying to look for a position in, you feel me, and get in for the long term. And that's how you should be trying to really run it up. I'm trying to run it up. Let's get it. He said, what about Nas? We're gonna get it cracking on Nas. We'll move over there to Nas, but this is just S&P. You feel me? You like, yeah, fundamentals, they do play a part, but then I could just erase all of this, right? And just look at this and see it as, oh shit, I'm trying to drag the, and just see it as like a fucking bullish range. It's just like, this is what I see. Boom. Yes, obviously a lot more, but then. So I know, boom, gets above here, breaks out, retest, bam, I'm going, nigga. What's good? Feel me? Or I might have to just let it get down here. Either I sell it down, you feel me, or just wait for it to get down to my buyer's area, get in my little range, and just, bitch, I'm out of here. What's up? You feel me? So it's really how you want to do that shit. He said, what about where those courses at? Oh, you want to know that TJX6 method? We got it. Don't even trip. You feel me? Don't even trip. That method is popping. It's on the way. You feel me? Let's get it. Shout out to all y'all who be tapping in and shit. You feel me? I'm gonna go to Dirty 32. This is S&P Fido. Move to S&P. We can move that young Dirty 30 right now. It's easy. Too easy. All right, so okay. This is a daily chart, so you probably like, what are you looking at, bro? It's a daily chart. You feel me? Let's get it. Yo, just got done listening to the new track and your shit fire. Appreciate that, bro. Let's get it. He said, Naked Forex says when the breakout's about to happen, wait for that last kiss. Read the books. It's all in the books, you feel me? So it's up to you, really, how you get your info. Either, I mean, you're going to pay for it with time or you're going to pay for it with money. Regardless, you're going to get got for something. So you better figure out which one you want to give up. You know what I mean? Let's get it. He said Buffett spent like $6.5 billion recently to help Mars. That's crazy. Hey, I mean, you know what it is. You know what I'm saying?
Inside the market, lead a broker looking ugly. Hey, my grandma always told me I should always keep a snubby. Never ever keep your money where they think you keep the money. 10 trades at the same damn time. Fuck the rubbish, bitch, I'm back pursuing that. Number one, and that's a fact. Keep Keep the banking system flowing, move to digital exactly. Forex change the flow, but not a wave like a jack. Beanstalk, Google Trends, sit 100 SEO on pop. Drastic changing worldly thoughts, I mean no more that people think. On the brinks of something big, I fuck the world on the sink. But life will give you lemons if you fuck her and you squeeze. Now it's back to hitting licks, like we jumping off the porch. But we really in the stocks, that's why it's trade or die for sure. Trade again, got it poppin', leave the broker at the door. Clean them out and drop the systematic pressure off these forces. Leave the engines on smash, block, loud for on the horses. Aye. Do you think you belong? Either battles or the bulls. If you see it and trade it, or you don't and you lose. I can do this shit in my sleep, so that's more money you see. Living life on the wave, I'm just young in the pay. Keep the markets pumping, market make it jump when I say. Gotta flow like heavily made, I got the heavenly blade. Turn the gold like the mills, running back in the day. Russian is the gold race, better get you a plate. Take chances, living life for the edge of mystery blame. Hey, look, I got the game inside a headlock. Got it locked in the history bedrock. If the world asks me to eat, she better leg lock. Taste the riches of success and tell me dead drop. Don't abuse my line, just contain files. I mean Ethereum nice, but it's volatile. Little obstacles and go ahead and ask the price. If you asking for the price, you probably not advice. This advice and words from the rise. Better off leaving when you see them streets lighting. Big banks cracking, big teams fucking, big planes I'm yachting, big trades popping, big chains coming.
All right, let's get it. So this is US 30. All right. So what I wrote out here is you gotta look, we're on a daily. First off, we're on a daily. All right. So right now you're looking at it, you're like, boom, Dow Jones is currently ranging. All right. The overall market is bullish. Overall. All right. Overall. All right. So that's when we went and looked at S&P. That's when we looked at Nasdaq. And I'll go look at Nasdaq. I started off with S&P and I showed you the overall sentiment. I showed you that, hey, when we open up, we're going to come down to the downside. And then we're going to go ahead and continue doing what we do to the upside, because that's the nature of the game. And that's just how that shit goes. You feel me? So right now, boom, the Dow is currently ranging. All right. So the range that we got on this young Dow right here is, let me check the joint out. Yep. 26 445. All right, that's that daily joint. All right, so that's the high in the daily. All right, and the low is what are we looking at right here? The lowest low, our lowest low, just in case we do and we possibly could slip, you know, where that young pin bar is at. That's 24,860. All right, so we got a range. We got a nice little range. Okay, he said share your charts in description, bro. How I share my charts. I don't know how to share these joints on here. I guess once I save them, I could start sharing them. I guess that could be dope. How much money should you have? Realistically, like a bando. I mean, you could do lower, but you know what I mean? So that's our range on the Dow. All right. You see the bears coming right now. Why? We already passed them higher prices, so we may just come down and, I don't know, we could possibly come retest to like 25.2. Feel me? Right now, price is like 25.7. So either we'll come down here to this point and retest. 25.2 is like right here. All right. So either we'll come down here for the retest.
And you're like, yo, Ty, I don't know. Do you trade, bro?
Bro. Boom. Retest and keep pushing back up. You feel me? Or if we break underneath this 25.2, okay, then expect us to come to 24.8. All right, boom, 24.8, and then we gonna sit at 24.8. I feel like if market get to 24.8, price about to jump up so fucking crazy. You feel me? But if it does break through, then all right, cool, boom. I gotta just eat that and be like, all right, I gotta change my sentiment. You feel me? But like the thing is, I just looking at the market. I've been looking at how investors have been dealing with said coronavirus. I've been looking at how people have in general been dealing with everything that's been going on. And do I see the virus slowing down anytime soon? No. Are there concerns? Possibly. Okay, but I feel like just for American business, like, man, people don't even give a fuck. And it's sad to say that they put money above everything, over health, over everything. But I mean, like, you just got to look at what it is, and that's just what it is. Like, they're going to put money above everything. I mean, you know what I mean? So the thing is, like, you kind of need it to breathe and eat. Like, you can't even go to the grocery store and shop. You can't buy on air. You got to spend with money. You know what I mean? So, yeah, that's what it is. You said you never see me on the real account. Okay, bro. I'm not even about to. Okay, then fuck it. How about this? Just hop off of here. You know what I mean? And then if you don't like what you see, then fuck it, bro. You literally just gotta get on. That's what I gotta say. You feel me? He said how much I'm selling the course for? For free 99. Free and 99. All right. Yeah, we will go to gold. We're gonna go to gold in a second. I like to knock out us 30. I like to knock out the big shit first. We're about to go ahead and move over to NAS 100 right now. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. All right. So I guess this is some old shit. Let's go bring up that daily chart. Once again, you know I like that daily. You see NAS climbing to the highest high. So when I look at the market, I look at it like this. A lot of you look at it different than me, but this is how I look at it. It looks like a little tiny string to you, but I'm looking at it like I can see into the future type shit. So I look at it like, oh man, the market's gonna be bullish. You feel me? That's how I see. So I mean, really, it's up to you. And then at the end of the day, really, I'm just like, all I have to do is find a position in this long ass trend, bro. I'm looking at fucking trends over time, gains over time, equal gains over years. Like, I mean, the stuff is in the songs. I don't know if y'all listen to the music or not, but I mean, I'm just saying. So, I mean, if that's the feeling of the NAS 100, then I mean, wouldn't you be like, well, what companies are involved in this bitch, right? And then you go look at those, and then I mean, I'm not gonna tell you too much, but I'm just saying you should go do your research on anything that you invest in. You feel me? All right, but. For the current trend, okay, for I mean, right now, like the right now, okay, you already know overall. All right, so you need to find a great position. You know, companies gonna be trying to perform well. You know, especially with times coming right now that a lot of tech companies will be trying to perform well. So you might be wanting to go look into the tech sector. All right, let's get it though. All right, so you see Nasdaq making higher highs and higher lows. All right, this shit's simple. Right now, what is this? Higher high, right? So I mean, price comes to a higher low, or what do you like to call it, a pullback? So we gotta wait for price to pull back before we can enter again. Come on, bro. I mean, now I'm not saying this is exactly where in this spot right here. I mean, but I could definitely give you a target or something like that. I don't know, like what is this? 10-129. You feel me? So 10-129 for our pullback area. Boom. And then boom, if it goes lower, fuck it, go lower. And if you're the scalper, you know what I'm saying, and you just ride the joint a little bit lower. You know what I'm saying? Somebody said play that Nasdaq. It's crazy because I already had Nasdaq kind of loaded up. You know what I'm saying? But let's do it. Hey yo, Kizzy, what the fuck? What's funny about this Nasdaq song is this actually caused a lot of commotion. Like this little cover didn't cause a whole lot of commotion. You know what I'm saying? So it's like we know what it is, G. You know what I'm saying? I'm rocking with y'all. Like. Let's get it. And I got that GJ for you coming up. Whoever sent that, I got you. Who is that? Let me see. I'm gonna shout you out too. King Jordan Financial. I got you, G. I'm gonna go to GJ. Let me get off this Nasdaq and we're gonna go to oil and gold, and then I'm gonna go over to the currencies for sure. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. Man, shit, bro. Keep sending these tracks through. Here we go, 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 here we go. Nasdaq, smoking on that gas pack. Pass that, set it, attack that. Fill up the tank, amass that. Bitch, run up the wealth, that's a big back. Nasdaq, smoking on that gas pack. Pass that, set it, attack. Fill up the tank, amass. Bitch, run up the wealth, back. Bitch, niggas capping, acting like they rich. Okay, cool, swerving through the lane on 26. Hey yo, big business, bought some land, make a big flip. Say less. You on them currencies, just a little tip. NAS 100, that's some big shit. US 30R profits had a double flip. Hit pound versus the dollar on the back end. Hey, pool run babies on back end. I see it, learn, turn, code the facts in. Then we package up the Gouda, move the packs in. Hey, okay, now hold on. So hopefully he said there's no audio. Oh, it's audio now. Look, what's funny is this. Hopefully you caught that line. So it's like bull run, baby, saw him back in. But mind you, we on the Nasdaq right now, right? So like, look, fuck, man, I ain't about to go there. But I'm gonna run the line back, and I'm typing some shit out right now, and maybe it'll all make sense. You know what I'm saying? So let's get it popping, bitch. US 30R profits had a double flip. Hit pound versus the dollar on the back end. Hey, pool run babies on back end. I see it, learn, turn, code the facts in. Then we package up the Gouda, move the packs in. Okay, now slice the cheese up, buy the land with it. Withdraw it.
then you sandwich it.
That's
Okay,
right.
get it out the mud with rubber bands and work the plans. Leave it up to ops and they'll fuck your other hand. Keep your eyes open and keep your eyes
Smash
on your
that like button,
stance.
smash that like button.
Always
What's
moving, so
up?
you better keep the fan. Always check the eyes and they posture and they stance. Creeping through the lane in the Rory, ain't no plane, ain't no sorry, ain't no shaking hands. You already had the chance to the parter. Sliding through the pockets, taking profits out with chargers.
Tap
so who
in,
really
tap
own
in,
you to
tap
get
in.
your back in?
It's lit.
Niggas
Get
never
it.
been a boss, but talking pack shit.
Alright.
You don't even own your own masters, that's a bad plan. Nigga, fuck you talking about? Get a mask, man.
Nasdaq, smoking on that gas pack. Pass that, set, attack that. Ay, fill up the tank, amass that. Bitch, run up the wealth, that's a big bag. Nasdaq, smoking on that gas pack. Pass that, set it, attack that. Ay, fill up the tank, amass. Bitch, run up the wealth, back.
I wake up, life is different and I see the views.
Who's different?
Levo hitting different colors, I can see the hues. Rory sitting all black, it's a different blue. And that SVJ, that's the Asian fools. Yeah, I walk to my rows and open up the door. Start the engine, drop the top, and I'm on the road. Like the tip of the J while I'm on the go. Close a trade and move the point to the honor roll. Met a trader out here busting like an act. 47 trades up and I'm a blast. Black Air Force Ones and Black Max.
What's
I'm
up?
in my all black energy, all facts.
Nasdaq, smoking on that gas pack. Pass that, set it, attack that. Ay, fill up the tank, amass that. Bitch, run up the wealth, that's a big bag. Nasdaq, smoking on that gas pack. Pass that, set it, attack that. Ay, fill up the tank, amass. Feel me? At Nasdaq, smoking on that ass crack. You feel me? Let's get it. Let's get it. So you already know. We in gold right now. You need to spot up on gold, spot your range that it's in. You already know the range that it's in. You're like, what's the range, baby? Well, you already know. So market, when we looking at gold, when we looking at correlations, when we looking at inversions, when we looking at pairs that either correlate or don't, what's funny about gold is like when the price of gold goes up, the dollar usually goes down. And I mean, when you're looking at the dollar right now, I know it's poised to go down and give us that pullback before, you know, other wells can enter in. And usually people enter in on the dips, you know, buy the dips. That's you know, it's investing, you know what I mean? So if the dip is coming, so if that pullback is coming and we're looking at gold right now, then it's like, okay, gold gives us a push to the upside just because the dollar drops, you know what I mean? But that's not always relevant, you know what I mean? So it has its own codes, it has its own, you know, different types of ways that you need to move about. So I mean, but usually that's what it is. All right, so right now you're looking at gold price, you probably think, oh man, price is high, and I mean possibly it is, but then it really is not, because it's been in this area 1776 shit. It just keeps coming here, it keeps retesting this, and then we get into the 1780 area, you know, really trying to get to that 1800 mark. So gold is on its way to 1800. When? Nobody necessarily knows. You can't be like, oh, it's gonna be there on Friday, it's gonna be there on Saturday. Like you got to know that you got the range in mind, and you got to trade it when it gets to that point. So if we get a breakout above a certain area, I know, okay, cool, I need to be getting ready to go ahead and buy some gold. You know what I'm saying? And what I mean is not buying as in physical. Like, yeah, you already should have been buying the physical, especially when price had dropped to its lowest. But I'm just talking about buying as in, you know, just like shit, trading it. You know what I mean? So then we got to go into the hour. Right now, when you look at it, price is out of doji. So the daily's looking like a doji, means people are indecisive. All right. The last day was like a shooting star. Okay. So then I'm looking at it like, boom, doji. For me, I just got to wait for gold to break out of its low range. So it's in a daily range, and then when I'm on a smaller time frame, it has its own little range going right here too. So you just gotta wait for it to move up out of there. Some people try to trade that range or scalp that range, but I'm not I used to love to scalp, you feel me? Especially when I started off doing like binary options, but like I'm really just trying to get that shit cracking. I like to move when everybody moves. So like I buy the dips, you know what I mean? And get in sync with the overall trends, and then move with the overall trends. Like, does gold always allow that? Nah, but see, gold gives us a range for the day, you know what I mean? And you gotta just like trade that range for the day. You feel me? But let's get it. You said turn the mic up. Oh, okay. Oh shit. I do gotta turn my mic up, huh? All right, what about now? Y'all G, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Maybe this shit is tripping. Maybe it's not. I don't know. Fuck it. Yeah, let me see. Let me try to. Alright. Still no sound? What the fuck? Or maybe somebody fucking hacking my shit while I'm live. They be doing that shit too. I remember especially when I used to play GTA. Okay, I don't know what's up with the sound. I'm good. There we go. Alright, for sure. Sound is back. Okay, for sure, for sure. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Alright, I see the shit lighting up in the back too, so for sure. Motherfucking microphone be giving me all type of you said mic check, testicles 1 2, testicles 1 2. Fuck. Alright, so let's run back oil then. Let's run back oil. Alright, let's run back oil. Sheesh. Hey, the comments going up. Y'all be going up. Easy call. I fuck with y'all, man. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all. Alright, so let's get it. So we back to this oil. All right, so I'm looking at oil on a daily range. All right, I always look at my shit on the daily just because really, like, I look at everything long term. It's just my mind. I'm not like sometimes I scalp and I still, you know, if I need to take quick entries, then I'll definitely have to be in scalper mode. But like, I'm looking at everything long term just because I really like stress-free investing. I don't want to have to I don't want to have to work. And I know it sounds crazy, like, yo, you don't want to have to work, but like, no cap, like, that's what I'm doing this shit for my freedom, you know what I mean? So I could be able to do whatever it is that I feel like doing, whenever I feel like doing it, you know what I mean? So it's like, that's why I do this shit. So that's why I'm always looking at the daily, I'm always looking at the weekly, I'm always looking at long term, because once I figure out myself to get inside a position, like, I'm really not trying to get out. I really don't want to exit tomorrow. Like, I'm really trying to exit in, you know, a few weeks, or if I can go longer, then let's go longer. Especially like dealing with stocks and stuff like that, it kind of puts your mind on long-term investing. And then like when you're moving your bread around, you really just want to look long-term for everything. I mean, a lot of people play for right now, and it's not about right now, even though you think it's about right now, but it's not about right now. You know what I mean? So let's get it. So oil, you looking at it first glance, we come in on the daily, it's looking like, boom, people are indecisive. I'm looking at it like all these little purple boxes that I'm drawing are basically higher lows. You know what I mean? So I'm looking at it like 1, 2, 3. Okay, cool. Yeah, we reached a new high. So either we gonna break this shit and keep moving, and then I can enter like, okay, cool, I can enter and keep moving once it breaks, or it's like I gotta wait for the pullback, because that's just how price works. That's just how the game works. You fuck it. Let me give you a rule right now. You can wait for your entries for maximum money and maximum security. You feel me? So let's get it. He said, we don't hear you again, bro. What the fuck? All right, I don't know why it's tripping. Yeah, I definitely don't know why it's tripping, but it's for sure showing that this recording my mic, I'm looking at the green shit is activating. I'm looking at it over here. You feel me? So it's for sure saying it like that too. Mic check again. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? What the fuck, bro? I think somebody hacking my sound right now, bro. Bitch ass niggas. Hold on, let me change this shit. He said, nah, don't touch it. All right. Bro, I was about to reset it. Yo, GG, good looking. You feel me? All right, for sure. Let's get it. Okay, cool. So look, so wait for your entries for maximum money, right? And maximum security. I'm big on risk to reward, because you always hear me joke about it. I'm always like, yo, I'm trying to risk the least and make the most. But like, nigga, that like naturally, that's how I move. Like, the thing is, that's how I move. I always want to pay the least and get the most value. And it's not like that, but it's like that just because it's like, that's investing. You know what I mean? That's investing. Like, you always looking for a good deal. You feel me? And if you can help everybody around you eat, bro, what? I mean, that's winning for me. You know what I mean? So That's really why I move like that. So I approach everything I do with the same investors mentality in every single market that I deal with, in every type of business that I deal with. You know what I'm saying? I look at it just like this. So it's not like I'm not about to change what I'm doing in one market and then, oh, I'm gonna go over here, so I'm gonna change it up. Like, nah, I'm gonna apply the same game because it's the same game. You know what I mean? Like, okay, maybe I may have to do a little bit more research on another company inside of a different sector, because I mean, it's moving the sector a little bit different. So I need to, you know, go and tap in on the back end and be like, all right, this is what I need to do, because boom, okay, this company be making shit move. So I really need to be paying attention to the movers, because the movers moving. You know what I mean? So that's how it is. All right, so boom, oil, that's what I see for oil. I feel like, okay, yeah, it's a possibility we could pull back. All right, we could pull back to this area to like 37 and move again. It's a possibility. Or you feel me, for me, once it gets above like, I don't know, like 41, I know I can possibly keep pushing that 41. You know what I'm saying? That's only 80 cents. Like that, you got to really look at the market like that. You know what I'm saying? So I mean, when I'm reading the numbers, I'm reading 40 plus the 0.4. I'm reading 0.40. 0.04 has a different number than the natural 40 that it's in too. So I'll read the cents and the dollar. Let's get it. Boom. So next we about to get on, I think somebody called out GJ. You feel me? So let's get over there to the yen. You dig? All right. You already see what's cracking with that. If fucking US markets is going up, guarantee the yen is going to continue going up. You feel me? What's funny is like this candlestick wick right here is from NFP. All right, so NFP kind of already came up here, hit that little level right there, you feel me, and retested it. So the next day and the next few hours after that, it just boom, it start dropping, you feel me. But NFP gave us that quick spike to the upside. That's what we got this candlestick wick right here. I don't know if you guys was trading NFP, but definitely for sure if you traded NFP with me this week, then you made some money. You feel me? We had the buy stop, sell stop set on was that Nasdaq and fucking US 30. You feel me? So you got a chance to trade that with me, and let's get it. You feel me? Yeah, I'm gonna check out Australian dollar for you too. I'm gonna rock with y'all. You feel me? But like long term, I already know if our dollar value is gonna continue going up, then so it is pound yen as well. Because I mean, you know, the markets follow each other. All right. So right now, only thing I'm looking at the market is for us to, I mean, in a sense, you can kind of see the pullback coming, you know what I mean? But it's not as visible as most people would see right now. You still see bullish candlesticks, but you got to really just know and study the nature of the market and how shit moves, you know what I mean? So you should already know, like, when the Sunday gap opens, either we're going to get a gap up and the trend is going to continue, because, I mean, it's swinging and making higher highs. You feel me? Higher highs and higher lows. It's on the uptrend. All right, we check the indices, and you already seen that they're on the uptrend. You feel me? So let's get it. And you're like, yo, what do you mean, T? Like, bro, it's just like the ocean. You already know, man. Just like waves, you gotta wait for one wave to crash before another one comes in. If you miss one wave, then you gotta catch the next one, and that's just what it is. So really, your patience will help you overall in this marketplace. You know what I mean? Like, your patience will help you overall. The only thing is, like, y'all not, I'm not saying y'all, because a lot of people are saying that, a lot of you are, but yeah, if you really want to make more money, just overall in the world, like, your patience will help you. You feel me? Yeah, you can still be a shark. I'm not saying you can't be out here eating shit, but I'm just saying you got to be patient. Like, wait for your opportunity. You're going to always be able to eat. You know what I mean? Like, you may be able to strike, but if you strike too early, you may blow your opportunity and you fuck yourself. Then you're like, oh man, like I should have did this. And the thing is, yeah, you should have waited. You know what I mean? So that's what I see on the floor right now. All right. These candlesticks right here, I'm going to show you. What the fuck? It's letting me know that price isn't really breaking through this area, and it's like holding. You feel me? Where the fuck is that little box shit at? Boom. Boom. Retest. We're on the 4-hour time frame. What time frame we on, Ty? 4-hour time frame. Retest. Boom. So I'm looking at it like, okay, that's the scoop. It's like a ascending scallop or a cup and handle, and it could continue pushing up. But these are still dojis, meaning people are still indecisive. I already know how the waves work. I already know how the shit works. So all I do is wait for the pullback, which is gonna come. You feel me? Wait for the pull. If it doesn't, I gotta change my bias and keep moving forward. I mean, because that's just what it is. But obviously, like I said, I know how to trade. So I just really, you said, how do you perfect entries? You perfect entries by just waiting. Like, that's trading. Trading is waiting. Trading is waiting. You sit back, you wait. Is it at your price yet? Yes or no? No, it's not at my price yet. Then why the fuck are you moving, bro? But do you feel me though? So set a set of rules that work for you. Does it meet your construct of rules? Yes or no? If that's not the case, then like you don't move if it don't meet your rules, bro. The market is gonna keep creating opportunities. This market is for the opportunities. So if you have a few shots at your disposal, you know what I mean, where it's like, okay, I can't play it like this. Like, okay, well, you just wait now. You know what I'm saying? So let's get it. What confirmations do I use? My brain. That's what confirmations I use. Let's get it. So that's pound dollar. All right, that's what I see on pound dollar. Like I said, I'm expecting boom, price to pull back a little bit, which has already kind of been in this area. So it's a possibility that it could come here again, get back in here again, and then the bulls will just go ahead and take it and keep on moving. All right. Although if I need to and have to change my bias, then above like 308, then I already know, okay, we're gonna keep pushing. But I already know how the Sunday moves. Okay, cool. If it goes 308, then fuck it, it'll push to like 134, 484. You feel me? Which is like this top right here. Just on some Sunday sneak shit, right? Push up there to this point, and then Sunday night drop right back in this area. You feel me? And then boom, keep moving like that for Monday. You feel me? So it's different ways that the market could play, but at the end of the day, like you just gotta be able to catch the waves and move with it. Fuck you mean? What's good? What's good? You feel me? All right, so you said, hey Ty, I work at 9 to 5, wake up at 3 a.m. Should I put in 1 hour trades? I mean, it's really up to you. You can set alert for prices, Ty. You definitely could set alerts, bro. Will yen market drop due to COVID? I'm not sure. You feel me? We've been looking at a lot of markets not drop because of COVID. So you really can't even say, you know what I mean? You really can't say. All right. Let's keep moving on though. Let's move on though. Do I recommend doing the entire baby pips course or not? Literally, it would save you thousands of dollars. I mean, you're just lazy. You know what I mean? Like I would say, get a mentor who's profitable. After you figure out the game, after you go and get your shot wet, you know what I'm saying? It's like playing basketball. Like everybody's trying to be a fucking basketball coach because everybody can't make it in the NBA. You know what I mean? Like you gotta think like shit. The NBA is a hard place to make it in. You feel me? So you just gotta look at it like that. You know what I mean? So you said playing a mink coat. I'll play in a mink coat. I got you. Feel me? I got you. I really want you to hear me though, so you can get on these charts. We're gonna move to Great British Pound or pound dollar next. You feel me? Moving along. All right. So this is some old shit I had marked up whenever the fuck we was scalping this bitch. Feel me? So now you already see, okay, price broke above line and came back for the retest. Check this out. Feel me? So that's dope. Perfect little setup. We already seen pound yen. We talked about pound yen. And what's dope about this is, I mean, you already see price broke through the initial trend line that was here. You feel me? So boom, pushed through and came back in the area for retest. And the reason I basically marked this is because I'm saying like if we put an imaginary line in the same area over here where these candlestick wicks are, then yeah, you're gonna be G. You know what I'm saying? Came for the retest. So now it's like, what's price gonna do? Keep pushing, or you feel me? Or if it does not keep pushing, then what? You feel me? Come back and retest this area one more time before it goes. But it's Sunday, so it's a lot of fake outs that happen on Sunday. So you really just gotta trade what you see. That's what I'm talking about when I'm like, oh, trade what you see, trade what you see. You feel me? Like, nah, for real, like trade what you see. You feel me? So that's what it is. You said do a Q&A with my girl. For sure. If she trying to do one. You said every country's central bank is printing money. You know, inverse head and shoulder. Well, we gotta get it cracking. You said when everybody's anticipating a long, I go short. Well, you gotta trade what you see, bro. You feel me? Wait for market to open up and wait for your trades to form and then move. Y'all just want to move on instinct or whatever the fuck you move on, and then you losing all this bread because you just moving. Like, bro, you just gotta be waiting. You know what I mean? Let's get it. He said, aren't coaches usually retired players though? Yeah, some of them, the best ones. You feel me? But not these coaches. Who was my mentor? Warren Buffett. And the guys who created Walmart. Let's get it. So that's GU. All right, now let's go to AU. Somebody was talking about Australian dollar. Let's go over there. All right, shit. Last time we marked this up, shit, pattern never changed. Trend lines never change, you feel me? Same shit. I don't remember the last time I looked at AU, probably the last time we marked it up last Sunday. You feel me? So same thing with GU. Like I said, when I see the one market doing one thing, I know that people follow what people do. People follow the Joneses. And you know, what's funny about that is like the Jones could be the Dow Jones, you know what I mean? So like you gotta think like, okay, people follow the Joneses. Well, what's the Dow Jones doing? You know, like everything's gonna follow, right? So with AU, all right, this the 4 hour, but it did break over trend and it did come back possibly to retest. That's why you see all these extra candlestick wicks right here. You feel me? Getting cracking like that. You feel me? You say anybody who needs to start trading, we do got a Discord. You feel me? I got a Discord that's popping. We be in there talking and chatting. I'll be on the voice message and shit. I'll be on the video message. Like you got the video message on the Discord, so I can talk to people on the video. So I do be in there video chatting with y'all and everything else. You know what I mean? So hey, where you guys from in the chat too? Where you guys from in the chat? Where are you guys from in the chat? Go ahead and comment your city, man. Rep your city right now in the chat. Smash that like button. Appreciate everybody for rocking with me today. This fine Sunday evening. I'm sorry, it's not evening, this morning. That'd be that good goosh goosh. You feel me? But boom, that's what I see. So candlestick wicks is popping off of here. But see, I know the story of the wick. So the story of the candlestick, if you watch that understanding candlestick video, like I said, the thing is you just don't want to put in the work. Ty, what'd you do? How'd you become successful? I watched that video a trillion times. Ty, what'd you do? How'd you become successful? I watched that video a trillion times. Ty, what did you do? Like, I'm gonna tell you the same answer over and over because that's just what it is. I'm not gonna change it up. You feel me? Not gonna change it up. Let's get it. Said Boyle Heights was good. Boyle Heights, Oklahoma, Sacramento, Oakland, home of the Panthers. Okay, Pomona, easy call was good. Houston, H-Town was good. Was good. Garbone City was good. Concord was good. Oklahoma was good. Minneapolis, Montreal, Nigeria, Riverside, what's up? Was good. Nigeria, Honduras, ATL was good. Feel me? Baltimore was good. The 403. You know I'm from the 562. Was good. VA Beach 242. Yes sir. Mississippi. What's going on? India. What's going on? Nigeria. Vegas. What's going on? Vegas. London. South Carolina. Call it out. So story of the week is just basically telling us, hey, we came down for a retest. Price is pausing right now, but the previous 1, 2, 3, 4. What is this? Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4 candlesticks have been green, signaling that they're bullish. So all we're looking for is that pullback so we can enter again and get in trade and get in trend. Okay, so if Dow opens up, we get that strike pullback in the Dow, then yeah, we are coming down to the downside, and all currency pairs as well coming to the downside. And us 30, I mean, I already speak. That's the Dow and NAS 100 and S&P 5. So you really just gotta wait for the pullbacks for your entries. You feel me? Wait, let that bitch kiss, and you out of here. You say, well, what's the last kiss? That sounds like naked Forex. Do you really want to study though? Let's get it. What's the Discord? Somebody had comment the Discord in there. You feel me? But this shit is simple, all right? Super simple, man. Super simple, easy Forex, okay? I'm gonna play that and I mean code one time because I know y'all was asking me to play that joint, you feel me? So I'm gonna go ahead and bang that mink coat for you for the one time. Like I said, I appreciate you guys for rocking with me too. All right. And if you got any questions, ask the questions as well. You feel me? Try to get those off. I don't know why this shit not. Oh, there it is.
And I make coke. 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 Trading and I make coke. And Versace rolls, young and out of control. Shoot my shot, knock him down like a free throw. Shoot my shot, knock it down like it's dominoes. And I make coke. Trading and I make coke. And Versace rolls, young and out of control. Shoot my shot, knock him down like a free throw. Shoot my shot, knock it down like it's dominoes. Ay, 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 ay. Forex too good every day and payday, wait day. Never wanna wait. That's just an S to the V to the J. Running around me, bitch, I stay with the check. I need breathe peace, bitch, I stay with respect. 100 degrees in the G to the max. I'm in the market, D with the packs, little bitch. I got Forex tatted on my tempo. You can see it, sorry, but it's tenfold. Hang a line in the market, it's a lynch, bro. We in the field with two scope with the big dress. And I mean coke, trading and I mean coke. And Versace rolls, young and out of control. Shoot my shot, knock him down like a free throw. Shoot my shot, knock it down like it's dominoes. And I mean coke, trading and I mean coke. And Versace rolls. rolls, young and out of control. Shoot my shot, knock him down like a free throw. Shoot my shot, knock it down like it's dominoes. Hey yo, don't be stupid. Lane to lane swerving in a phantom, I'm ruthless. Rich nigga shit, I'm the owner, how you doing? Nvidia gon' pay his dividends from the movie. I need 10 million shares from the deal, I'm coolin'. The data in the market got a push from the student. This a Tyler stock tips on my list for improvement. Every time I speak a stock, check the charts, I'ma do it. If I tell that bitch to jump, then it jump. If I get pissed, we all selling that junk. 6'4" is the wave, then we crashing the fuck. We smashing these records, this fashion the fucks. Ay, 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 and I'm eco, trading and I'm eco. In Versace rolls, young and out of control. Shoot my shot, knock him down like a free throw. Shoot my shot, knock it down like it's dominoes. And I'm eco, trading and I'm eco. In Versace rolls, young and out of control. Shoot my shot, knock him down like a free throw. Shoot my shot, knock it down like it's dominoes. And I'm eco, ay, 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 and I'm eco.
Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Hey, what time is it where you guys are at? It's 11:11 right now, so make a wish. It's 11:11 my time right now, so make a wish, make a wish. I wish you all a successful week. Let's get it. All right, so this is a textbook bullish flag forming. All right, so you're probably like, yo, what do you have drawn out on the screen? All right, so check this out. What a bullish flag is basically price going up, okay, into trend, and then getting into this like flaggish type of consolidation area. All right, so you probably seen this on your cheat sheets and stuff like that. You're like, yo, what is this, man? But check this out. So this is a textbook bullish flag. You've seen this on your cheat sheets, and this was going on. So right here we have price pushing up. All right, now you guys will be able to watch these back, man. In the future, you'd be like, yo, remember when Ty used to do the like boom. So boom, price pushed up, gets into this, price basically hits this high, okay, gets into this little flag type of area. All right, boom, starts this ascend back up to the top side. Here we are with price breaking out right here. All right, so when market opens up, if it's not going to continue bullish, we will get the pullback. Okay, so boom, price pulls back and then gets back in trend with what it's already doing. This is the bullish flag right here. So either it'll break out, you feel me, and come back in here and start trending again before it breaks back out to the upside, or to just eat this whole breakout, which is try to break out 2 times, and then you see this candlestick wicking right here. I'll actually go in so you can read what those candlesticks are. You feel me? It's like knowing your ABC. So you see this one already kind of broke out over it once, got that wick, and then here we got a nice little Marbatsu just sitting over the top of that bitch, you know what I'm saying, for the one time. All right, and then shit, just gonna keep pushing to the upside and out. Super simple. So I'm expecting the market to continue bullish this week, all right, especially the indices, and that's just what it is. You said about the candlestick video you prefer. The book you mentioned, really shit, man. I already recommended all the stuff what helped me. It's really up to you to do what it is. You know, a lot of people just take the info, regurgitate it, and put the shit back on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? And now they fucking Forex mentors and shit. But I'm telling you, I got a Warren Buffett mindset. Like, I'm in this shit for the long term. So I mean, while everybody's doing that, you know what I'm saying, just watch how I move. I didn't make it to this level by bullshitting, you know what I mean? So it's the reason why I really protect my energy, why I don't let a lot of people around. Like, you got to be smart. You got to be smart with your time. You got to be smart with your bread. You got to be smart with mixing energies, and you know what I'm saying? But that's a whole nother conversation. Like, we now, first we talking money, now we talking wealth, you know what I'm saying? So let's get it. Somalia, for sure. Let's get it. So next, we about to go to the next. The next pair. All right. So the next pair, New Zealand. You guys called something out for me, man. You guys called something out for me. I think I covered like 7 or 8 already. So you guys called something out. Let's get it. Let's see what we on. What we on? Y'all up? Y'all up? What's up? Call out the next pair. What's good? Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Feel me? Easy money. You said gold. We already did gold. You said, Ty, have I ever struggled with mental health? I don't necessarily think so. Usually if I get stressed out, I just smoke. You know what I'm saying? Super simple. You said, do you scalp or just make trades on the hourly? Well, I got like a scalper's mentality when I enter, so I know how to enter my shit. But then I'm like trying to hold that joint, you know what I mean? So let's get it. You said channel is growing. Yeah, it's growing, you feel me? But the thing is, like, I want to do the shit that I want to do. I rock with y'all, and I give you what you want, but you got to give me what I want, which is allow me to do me, and that's what I'm going to do, and I've been doing, you know what I mean? So it's like, you definitely gonna see a different Tyler, but not even different, but I'm growing. So it's the growth. You're gonna continue to see the growth. You know what I mean? Just in the channel and how I move and what I do. Like I'm chasing something a little bit different. You know what I mean? So it's like I play for the long term, but you'll see it when it's all done. You'll be like, oh shit, that's what's going on. Okay, US CAD. We can go over to US CAD. Yeah, I start doing some of the inverses. I got you. All right. What was this? This was during the week. Oh, I didn't reach there, but it got close. So really didn't do shit. No, fuck, it didn't move at all. Sometimes it's like that. That price was gonna get all the way up here, but shit, it just didn't give us that. Or did I say that was long term? Possibly long term. So we had 35. All right, so oil goes up, this drops, fucking Euro USD goes up, CAD keeps dropping. You feel me? Your oil looks like it's gonna continue on this uptrend. Australian dollar looks like it's gonna continue. Pound dollar looks like it's gonna continue on this uptrend. And if that's the case, if those pairs of indexes keep moving north, then the CAD and US CAD will go ahead and just continue to the downside. You feel me? And we just have to keep moving. As shit, that's what you see, that's what it is. You know what I'm saying? So that's what trade what you see means, and that's what I see. So that's what I see. You know what I mean? Let's get it. You said Euro USD. Now we still on this joint right here. We still on this joint right here. All right, so going to the 4 hour. All right, you're starting to see that red. So all you look is you could trade it like this. Just wait for the break below. You know what I'm saying? It's like market may open up, since it's showing us red right now. It may open up and then boom. Or market may open up and it gaps right here and just keep going like boom. And you like, where would it gap to? Like right here in this little area, you feel me? So it could just gap right here, just play your ass and just keep moving up. But only because like you got to think it always does this inverse before it does the actual move. Why? Because that's just the nature of the game, and that's just how it goes. Okay, so for the week though, if we do have bullish indices, if we do have bullish sentiment in like GU and EU and AU and New Zealand dollar and stuff like that, the New Zealand dollar US, then for sure, CAD is just gonna bust through the bottom of here, and we can see prices continue moving to the downside. It's been printing red candlesticks. It showed us that price is in the range. It hasn't really necessarily broke out of a range. That's gonna go full range and, you know, really break out and make, you know, major moves. But you can look at this 4 hour, you can see that it really necessarily didn't even do anything these past, what, like 2 days, you know? So that's just what it is. Okay, you said US Mexican. Sheesh, bro. We can go over there. We can rock with that. Appreciate you guys who, like I said, who rock with me. Make sure you smash that like button too. Make sure you smash that like button. YouTube loves when you smash that like button. And if you are new here, then the first thing you need to do is hit that sub button on the channel. Every Sunday I always see the joints going up. And really, like I said, I'm about to start changing it up over here. We're about to start really, you know, turning it up and doing it, just getting it cracking. You know what I mean? You ask me, a lot of people ask, oh, why don't you you know, sell Forex courses and shit like that? Because like honestly, I just don't feel like I need to. Like I respect the game so much, I feel like I don't even need to. You know what I mean? It's just like I want to be the person who said I could do it without that shit. You know what I mean? And that was my mission like years and years back when I seen everybody kind of move over into doing that shit. I was like, hold on, bro. Like I could just actually trade and really make the bread off this shit, really get moving off this without having to like deal with people, or without like, bro, it became a superpower almost. Like imagine having a bunch of people you got to take care of, but then imagine like you don't, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, I'm good. Like, nigga, like, you feel me? Get in here, do my shit, and keep moving. Like you guys watch me play video games all the time, and like I'm gaming while people are at work though. You know what I mean? So you just got to look at it like that. Not even on the, oh, he trying to, but I'm just letting you know, like I'm doing what I want to do. So, you know, but that's what I see for US CAD. Like I said, we get a break below. All right, we waiting for a break below. Right now, we ranging. I know when price opens up, we can get that push to the upside because that's just the nature of the market, how it works. But you're seeing bullish sentiment right now. You're seeing this bullish divergence even right here starting to build up. You know what I mean? So, I mean, I said bullish, this bearish divergence starting to build up right here and push to the downside. You feel me? So you waiting for price to just break underneath this area right here, which is like 135. What is that? 135.50 or 135, 430. You feel me? A little bit lower. It's like 435, 400. You feel me? And just keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Could even come to like 135, 4. What is that? 134, 966. That's like 40 pips. And you know, price. That's how price moves. Just to get it moving like that. You know, so yes, sir. You said the candlestick one. Yeah, it's a lot of information out there. You know what I mean? Like, there's a lot of information out there. Like I said, shit. I'm not in the business for that, bro. I'm really in here to eat. Like, I want to be one of those prized investors. Like, just watch me work. Look at what I invest in. Watch the companies I help grow. Watch the companies I help make bread. Like I said, my mind is different. Like I'm like an entrepreneur. Like, you got entrepreneurs, but entrepreneurs are like the guy who comes in and he has like a big vision for something that's there, and he can help you build, you know, even more massive of what's there. You know what I mean? Coming in and being able to fund like massive projects and stuff like that. Like I said, I like the fun shit in life. So it's like that's really why, you know. He said, do you make more money buying or selling? Well, it's not necessarily about buying or selling. You need to be in with the trend. Like, the whole market is going to trend either bearish or bullish. You need to find a way to trend with everybody when they're moving. Follow the Joneses, and that's just what it is. You already did Euro USD, I think. I'm about to do US Swiss right now. Feel me? So there's some old shit, old markups, but now we down here. You feel me on this 4? All right, but you can see the trend. You can just see the red. Like, you can see a lot of red. When you see a lot of red, what's going on in that market? It's a bearish market. Like, you're like, what do you see all the red at? Like, look at these little drops. You know what I mean? You see price like going high. You see all this little shit peeling, but then you're like, well, what about this range right here? Well, you got to look at it like, okay, we started here. This is the daily, mind you. I'm showing you daily charts right now. So it's like a little daily markup. So it's like this. Like, if price broke out of that little daily range, basically, you feel me? And that's when I came over here, marked this up, and showed you. Okay, cool. Boom. So here we are at a retest. All right. Now, what's price doing? Just doing this little fucking gathering up right now before it breaks beneath this shit, and just keeps moving to the downside. You feel me? Keeps moving to the downside. All right, it just got to work itself down, but the market moves in waves. You know what I mean? That's why you gotta listen to the music. You know what I mean? It's all there. Like I said, I don't mind rocking with other Forex traders and shit like that, but I fuck with the real. So if we do research and we find out that it's faults in your story, then it's like, bro, I'm not fucking with that. I'm not. Like, I do this investing shit for real. You know what I mean? So hey, it is what it is. Are there whales in the game that are bigger than me? Yeah, there is, you know what I mean? But shit, I'm growing, you know what I mean? So, like, for now, but soon, he said, you sounds like you're an angel investor. Y'all smart, man. It's pretty dope, you know? But let's keep it moving. So that's what I see for that. All right, so next. Call out a pair. We already did a sturdy Australian dollar yen. We can go to Australian yen. Fuck it. All right. All right, you see that pushing up. All right, looking at it on the daily, what do you see? Like, I mean, guys, you already know this. It's just, this is simple. I know you got the Furus who get mad that they're like, all he did was draw a line. But you got to think, like, so before this little line was here, I'm looking at this market and I can already see where this market can go, right? But then if I tell you it's going up, see, you don't even know why. You're like, well, why do you think that? See, but because I can see the shit, but then I have to fucking draw this shit and be like, well, it's bouncing off this line. Look at it here. Look at here. This is what's going on. Here's the overall sentiment. This is what's going on with this investor. This is what this report comes out. You know what I mean? So it's like, people want explanations for everything, but the market is so simple. Like, you just gotta start doing your research. Like, spend more time doing research than you spend on fucking YouTube watching Forex videos. You probably watch Forex videos all day. Like, I'm in the company documents all day. You know what I mean? Or playing Fortnite. But when I'm not playing Fortnite, I'm looking at company reports. I'm looking at, nigga, who's spending money, why they spending it, where they spending it, where these investors are investing. Like, I'm so into the investing world that, like, I don't even have time. So it's like, you probably see me slow down on making YouTube videos. And I've been busy. You know what I mean? So that's what it is. So you're like, what do you see right now? Boom, price doing what it does. If I was to put this little piece right here, That's basically what's going on. So we just waiting for price to either break beneath it, and we gonna be like, all right, we gotta change sentiment because it's gonna change direction. You feel me? Or just wait for it to get above that motherfucker and just keep buying. Like, it's so simple. And this is off the 4 hour. We looked at it at the daily. Trading is simple. Okay, trading is simple. All right, you make it hard because your mind wants to complicate the simplicity of everything. Like, you know, people say don't reinvent the wheel. All right, call out the next pair though. Let's get on. Let's go to the next one. You feel me? So shit is simple. We could do this shit. Like, the thing is, I want to be able to trade with the people. Why do I do it for the F? Because I want to be able to trade with my people. At the end of the day, that's just what it is. You feel me? So let's get it. Currently reading, trend following. Have I read it? Nah, I haven't read it. Hold on, I'm gonna have my girl throw me some water upstairs. Hey, Neat, throw me some water up here. Yo. I don't even think she can hear me. I gotta text her and shit. Peso or Bitcoin? That's 100. We already did that. CAD, JPY. We can go fuck with that. Naked Forex. Hey, what type of, I don't know if you guys have read any trading books, but in the comment section, let me know if you've read any Forex trading books or any type of investing books, you know what I mean? And let me know which ones you type of like. Let's get it. Amsterdam, you said, how do you find these reports? They're literally on the company websites. You can go to the company websites. All this shit is right there. They post it. You gonna throw me some water up here? Huh? Throw me some water up here. Can you please throw me some water up here? Nigga parched, nigga, you know how to smoke. All right, let's get it. Got me some agua, you feel me? The Trading Zone, Naked Forex, Candlestick Bible, Baby Pips. We go to Bitcoin too. I'm with it. Go to Bitcoin too. You know what song I got for that? I like this thing got a song for everything. Bro, it's wild. All right.
Hey. Chop. Hey, a nigga going off the Bitcoins. Stack more like fuck if you ain't on. 2,800 pockets is the top zone. You can even see the history of my flight plan. Think you wanna talk big, but I built in. Who can build a community of 500 M's? Who can really be a chief? What you talking about? We be running royalty in a golden house, but I still get it poppin' in a trade house. Trade house made like 16 millions. Ship the whole pack out if you want billions. Bust the currency down like a Warren Buffett. Dow Jones stock boy, Forex money. T-Rex gon' flex, big champ money. Rockstar lifestyle off your damn money. She say fuck me, how to give me that money? I be in another world, fuck your rap money. Fuck your trap money and your track money. We can trade money in your sleep money. I be locking in the dough before I eat money. I'm about to build that fuck with your seed money. Test my firewall, that's what you not touching. Quarters round me in, quarters going out the way. If you act funny. Moving and moving and moving and well. Moving and moving and moving and well. Moving and moving and moving and well. Moving and grooving and moving and yeah. Moving and moving and moving and well. Moving and moving and moving and well. Moving and moving and moving and well. Moving and grooving and moving and yeah. Hey, defense hitter with that deep end. Market paid like 40 for the frequent. Need that double up popping for the seats, man. Blend big, 100 generations deep, yeah. Fuck your brainwash, just a brainwash. Don't explain, but it's easy to the lane. Think it's easy to talk, but if you harbor in the game, if you charge them for the price, on the shit before I die. If you wanna partner up, then we probably see eye to eye. I don't think that you wanna try. Send them drones in the sky, send them coast to the right, send them coast to the left. Bankroll gon' fly, bankroll gon' boom. Out of bowl with the dough, the bag always moving. Any, mini, money, mo. Hot pocket it with the flow. You got the rocket, we like so. I got nano, take the spot, you knock your rocker at the door. Look, come around here, good shit. You used to playing in the world, we don't play it by the books. Chess moves, probably get A by a rook. Chef in the kitchen with your head in the pudding. Seek, money playing hide and go seek. Never seen shit if you never could see. Peak, everybody wanna.
All right, for sure. So then we can move to Ripple too, because I got a song for that too, XRP. But check it. So look, so this is my analysis on Bitcoin, and it's the daily. All right, so the Bitcoin price is low for the trend. The price was bullish, and then it consolidated, and now it's ranging. All right, so it's near the current support. It's a possible buy. Look, but it's showing red right now, so still we're got that bearish sentiment. You got to trade what you see. If it keeps pushing to the downside, saying, hey, look, you wait for a buy opportunity. All right, if when it shows it to you, okay, cool, price has support, you're able to buy it off the bank. Okay, now we can move, we can keep it cracking, and just like that. All right, although if price breaks below support, then hey, you got to change the bias, and then look, but like I said, it looks like we're on a pullback right now. Okay, so now you just wait, you start going to a smaller time frame. All right, here's the 4. You start to see those bulls develop on the 4, just a little green doji. If it breaks underneath, then okay, cool, I got to change my bias and start shorting. All right, but I already know Bitcoin and how that joint moves, so it's like, okay, cool. Shit, we may even possibly hit 9,600 again this week. You know what I mean? So we'll see. You see these bulls forming up right here. Bulls forming. All right. Bulls trying to form on an hour just because it's in that area. It's in that consolidation area. So let's get it cracking. You feel me? Boom. Go to the 5. And now you're seeing like a little bit of red. It's a little bit of red, little swings, you feel me? But on higher time frames, it's starting to get a little bit green. Okay, you got that little consolidation right there. So you really got to just trade what you see. And what you see is you got to see it from the long term of, okay, that's what Bullish is looking at. We on the 4 hour. Okay, so either A, shit, you purchase Bitcoin with a stop loss, you know what I'm saying? And try to get it cracking right now because you like to be early, or B, you're the patient trader and you literally just wait for your opportunity to be able to get inside of the market. Because what if it goes lower and then you're able to get it at a lower price? Then it's like, oh man, I should have got it at 8,700. Oh man, I should have got it at 85. Like, you know what I'm saying? So let's get it. Okay, so let's get it cracking. Let's go to the next joint. All right, so now we about to go to XRP. All right, I don't know who trade Ripple. All right, go to Ripple real quick. Ripple on the daily. That shit been low, so it's really not even trying to get all the way up. Feel me? Although, shit, if you look at what it is, shit, you see Ripple making lower lows. You know what I mean? A lot of people have faith in it, you know what I'm saying? But you see that joint making lower lows, and that's just what it is. All right, so boom. So now we're gonna go ahead and check what's another one? Ethereum. All right, so we did crypto for you too. Right now it's daily range. It's really not trying to break out of it. It looks like it's been in this range for the past week, although it looks like we had drop. Now price is in a range, so either if it breaks to the downside, then it just gonna drop again and then go back into the range and do the same shit that it's doing again. You feel me? And then drop and then go back into the range. Yo, don't this look like them little cheat sheets that feel me? So that's how the market moves. Money on waves. John, listen to the music though. Let's get it. He said, play NAS 100, my little bro. Back here talking about some Nasdaq. All right, I'll play that joint before we get up out of here. You feel me? I know I didn't play all the tracks that I usually play, but shit, man, I really wanted to get this joint across. I wanted to let y'all hear this info, man. I need you to hear this info. Call out one more pair though. Call out one more pair. Let's get it. Yeah, we definitely could do stocks. We could do all of that. You know what I mean? Like I said, I play for a long term. I'm more so of a long-term investor than anything. You know what I mean? So, like, I mean, yeah, we got this short-term shit that we talk about, you know, but like, man, how to read stocks the same way you read Forex. You know what I mean? So let's get it. U.S. Mexican. All right, I got you. And then also, It's about to be a whole lot of Forex and Fortnite. You know what I mean? It's about to be a whole lot of Forex and Fortnite. Be expecting the streams to be going up. You know what I mean? And then go look up Forex lifestyle on Google and tell me what you see. I was trying to do something in Google. I don't know if it works or not, but type in Forex lifestyle. I'm gonna type it in the chat and tell me what you see. If it works, then I did it right. If not, then I did it wrong. But I definitely want to see if it works on your computer as well. He said, "Can you do a gold again? We couldn't hear you." Nah, I'm pretty sure you heard me on gold. We can go back. The analysis there. You feel me? How many accounts did I blow before becoming profitable? Hella accounts, bro. Over risking, trying to flip. I was looking at everybody else, literally doing everything. You feel me? Except focus on my own shit. Will I do a house tour? Probably not. Why not? I don't know, bro. But I did move to a little 2-story penthouse. You feel me? But I don't know. Just minding my own business. You know what I mean? And I don't fuck with people till they come over here fucking with us. So I mean, if it's ever any bullshit, then for sure, then they came over here. You feel me? So let's get it. He said, "Ty, it works. You come up." Hey, this nigga is crazy, bro. So I mean, but you gotta understand. So that result is forever. You feel me? So just know I know what the fuck I'm doing, and yes sir. Just keep watching, man. Like I said, just if you let me show you how to build, I help y'all build your brands up and everything else. You know what I mean? He said my videos are in the search results. Yeah, funny. But nah, try it on Google, not even on YouTube, like on Google. You feel me? On Google, the search engine, the actual search engine. I'm talking about the big shit. You know what I mean? And as we grow, it's only gonna get bigger. But hey man, appreciate all you guys for rocking with me. We've done Ethereum, we've done gold, we've done NAS 100, Euro USD, Great British Pound, dollar, Great British Pound, yen, Australian dollar, US, Australian dollar, yen, US CAD, US Swiss franc. We've done shit. We've done so much, you know what I mean? So let's keep going, let's keep building. I guess I'll just answer some of your questions right now. I answered like a few of your questions, and then I'm about to get on and do what I do for today. It's like 11:37. I'm also on Facebook, you know what I mean? So you can check out the Facebook. I do have a lot of action cracking over there on Facebook. I don't know if you are Facebook users or not, but Facebook is where it's at as well, you know what I'm saying? So when we're not streaming on YouTube, then definitely I'm streaming on Facebook and Twitch. So definitely add me on my socials. I always believe in multiple platforms, just because I don't want to, like, the thing is, I didn't spread myself thin, but I made myself kind of omnipresent, only because it's like, I didn't want to be stuck on fucking YouTube, having to do like whatever I was forced to do on YouTube, when I was like, I really just like enjoying life and stuff like that. So if you guys like to watch somebody enjoying life and you want to be able to, you know, be inspired by that story and stuff like that, then that's what you're gonna more so see over here. And I'm gonna just start showing you, like, I mean, stuff like that as we build. But like, man, let's run it. You feel me? So he said, "Ty, can we get stocks chat in the Discord?" Yeah, you definitely just put it out there. Somebody will rock it for you. You know what I mean? Somebody will rock it for you for sure. Our mods are in here, so all you got to do is rock out. So let me go ahead and let me see what's cracking with y'all. Oh, I said Mexican, US dollar peso. I was supposed to do US dollar peso, huh? My bad. Sure.
Keep the toolie on me in the underground. Ghosts popping up, catch you in the underground. Pull a lever in it, flood and make the profit drown. Talking big money, nigga, you don't hear the sound. Hey, now they on my wave. Everybody around me trying to trade. Hey, that's straight. Fuck it, everybody around me getting paid. Forex moving like NASCAR. Forex moving like NASCAR. We got the bitches and the money, and you know we got the fast cars. Yeah, you know we got the fast cars. Big bank, take little bank, nigga, and we pass stars. Yeah, we big like the stock cards. Yeah, we big like the Walters, and we big like the Rothschilds.
Let's get it. You said, can you use TRADDEEE on a website that you're creating? No. Too many people have tried to use that TRADDEEE shit, and I really had to do, man, bro. So, too many people have tried, so please don't, bro. Please don't. All right. I think my daughter up here. The song is Heat Money on Waves. What's up, Queenie? Hi, how you doing? I'll play money. She said, how you doing? Good morning.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
How you doing?
Nene.
Nene?
Wow.
So I'm marking up US, I mean not US, I'm marking up USD peso right now. I'm gonna let that money on waves play in the background while I mark it up. Shit go tempo. Trade gang shit go tenfold. Trade gang shit on tenfold. Yeah. Big team up, big time. I trade, yeah, I get it. This will probably be a song. Without a hook, you gotta soak every word in like a book. Better yet, set it in. Feel like you on a roof. Ay, money like it's at commas inside the room. And karma never miss, so you better grab a broom. Clean that shit up, or you go through the looms. Go through that shit like it's nothing to lose. Understand life, but just give you a mirror that you be protected. Do everything to protect all your views. Freedom is rare, so do as you choose. But every choice always comes with a noose. Addicted to something, addicted to sorrow. A skipper today, cause you live for tomorrow. Addicted to money, but stick to my balls. Stick to my lane and I stay on my toes. Trade ain't shit, yeah, I trade with my woes. Thread through the needle, I see through the lows. Still eat the oodles and still in my roots. Walking that way, so be walking the line. This one recouping that feeling inside. Ay, let the profits just turn on the rise. Overflowing, so turn up the fire. Turn up the basement and flow to the fire. Smash the whole ceiling, then open the fire. Souls that change life if you let them, you bright. Hear this shit changing your energy, changing your synergy. I know you feeling me, bopping your head cause you feeling the interlink. Link to your conscience, I'm locked to the markets, I'm locked to the targets. I said it, I'm done it. Money your line when the bell ring is thunder. Be in the trenches, got scalpers and thrillers. Talking that shit, but we moving like bundles. Like down on Twitter when I tweet, we lunching. Then buy up the block, sell them, running deposits. We still in withdrawal mode, nigga, we got it. Still been the face in the yeah, I can leave do that with the trading Drew. I can leave my trading view public. I don't know how, but I'll figure it out this week. Yeah, I definitely will. Please buy my cars. With the sticks, figure my risk, keep the trade over tens. Cook up the work and keep trading the 10. Throwing up the life, but just stick to the plan. Gains over time, and that's gains over years. Don't be playing with fire, don't play with your kids. Don't be playing with life, it is beat overkill. I'm still on my shit, been a dream since a kid. Make money with family, make music and live. Live life to the fullest, my nigga. This is my favorite part coming up. This is my favorite part coming up. Let's get it. Just put your clothes on. Y'all know what it is. Let's go. Trade gang shit. Look, niggas wanna drop go tempo. Trade gang shit. Look, money on lock, tryna hit for. Trade gang shit. Big teams poppin', tryna hit go tempo. Trade gang shit. Money on ways, big bank on spin more. Money on ways. And then if you guys want access to the Discord, it's right there in the description. Or somebody go ahead and post the Discord in the description so people can hop in that joint and get cracking with us this week. What's up? How you doing, Queenie? Hi. I'm on Spotify, yeah. Money always trying to get more. You said I just went from 35 cents to 40 cents in my sleep. Ah, Forex. That shit is in my sleep. That shit was funny. But check it out. So before I get out of here, man, price basically broke through support. I just read it back, but I mean, if it's here, you definitely should have read it. You know what I'm saying? But check it out. Check it out. So look, price broke through support, man. All right. The current trend is bearish. All right. So past few days, it's been bearish as well. Heavy bearish sentiment. All right. So I'll wait for a retest before entering because the market will also, you already know, pull back before dropping again. So the bulls should come in for a few. I guess the bulls will possibly control Sunday. You feel me? Probably control Sunday and shit like that, man. Let the bulls control Sunday, or fuck it, the peso just keeps dropping. You know what I'm saying? Let's say it keeps dropping. Okay, cool. We just got to eat it. That's what it is, and that's how you move. You just move with the movements. But I already know how the waves work, baby. Money on waves is so simple. Money on waves is so simple. Money is literally on waves. Money's a wave. You need to get on the wave with the money. But check this out. So boom, money on waves, go out to pull back. You feel me? Let that pullback happen and let that joint drop again. You feel me? And it's super simple. I know you're like, oh, his markup is so simple. He doesn't use any moving averages or all of that nonsense. Like, the thing is, like, I understand them. I can read them. If you were to send me a chart and you had all that shit on your chart, like, I could read it because I know what I'm reading. You know what I mean? But it's like, I don't use it for my own purposes, bro. Like, I don't want to have to use all of this shit. Like, I'm my own confirmation. Like, I don't want no shit telling me what to do. Like, so I mean, it's probably an ego thing why I don't use it either, you know. But yeah, you said what was the key? The key thing that I did to convert from a greedy trader to a profitable trader. Shit, I don't know. Really, like, I'm naturally greedy, so you just kind of gotta be patient. Like, the thing is, the market will allow you to be yourself if you allow it to. You know what I mean? So if you're naturally greedy, like, you're gonna have the chance to eat, but you're gonna have to eat the small apples too before you can get the whole feast. You might be like, oh, you only get 2 apple slices a day, and you just gotta be like, fuck, man, but I want the whole. I know you wanted the whole, but like, did you eat though? But did you eat though? Like, yeah, I ate. Yeah, all right then. And come back tomorrow. What you talking about? So that's what it is. You feel me? Do I believe in the future of XRP? I'm not even sure. He said everybody needs to start studying. That's true, man. You definitely need to start studying. That's how you're gonna become successful. All right. So hey, stop. She doing the most. But check it out, man. So you guys have a great week. You feel me? It's your boy Ty. I'm about to get up off this bitch, man. Appreciate all you guys for logging on. Possibly give you a vlog or something this week. Let you into. I don't know if I want to give my vlog. You know what I'm saying? I used to do the vlogs, but I like my secrecy and my privacy though. That's the thing. Like, if you notice, like, look at how I post on Instagram. Look how I post on different social medias. Like, so you know what I'm saying? I just what it is. You know, but definitely shit. Have a positive